I send the test. So we are doing here the pre-test, and I send the final test. And the final test I collect next Monday. Next Monday, the next Monday is, it's in the calendar. Next Monday is, okay, 19, no? 19, and the course is over. I grade the final test. I post it in the web page of the college, the overall grade. And we start October 26th. The student can start enroll with me college algebra. I remember my promise. See, some students get A in every test, don't need to take the final. But I communicate with the student that have in that situation. You wait for me. I say particular for individual students. You don't need to take the final, yes or no. Okay. Of course, you need to submit the test file online on paper. I evaluate your situation. You say no, you don't need to take the final. Or see, you don't receive any email, it's because you have to take the final, mandatory. Okay. Any question? No. Okay, we start. Problem 21 is division. Division 2 fractions. Rational expression. So division, remember, I copied the first, exactly the same. You convert this symbol, test division, to multiplication, period, and you flip it the second fraction. Always the second, you flip. Now factorization, one by one. And this part is their common factor here, and the top part of the first is their common factor. I suppose que 2 is a common factor, no? 2. A factorado 2, we have minus 2 plus or minus x. Or plus. Let me see. Yeah, factorado, yeah, plus x. By 4 times 8, and the common factor in this part is 4. Is 2 minus x. Wow, a lot of people cancel. It's canceled. Let me see. Okay, this 4 divided by 2, divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 2 times 2 is 4, and divided by 4 is 1. Wow, nothing. Everything is cancelled. And the numerical part. In the variable part, we have minus 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x. And this is a brother and sister. Therefore, the answer in the brother and sister, you can cancel out, and the answer is -1. The final answer is -1, like in the option C. Any question? Do you understand very well this or no? Confusing?
It's clear, sir.
It's
Clear.
clear.
It is.
Very well. I like to hear that. Okay, it's clear. Okay, super. Let's go, move on to 22. 22 is x squared minus 16 over 25 x squared minus 9 division x minus 4 divided by 3 minus 5x. Okay, remember the first step is always flip it. So you copy the first fraction. I don't touch, just copy and paste. 25 x squared minus 9 time, flip it a second, 3 minus 5x, x minus. Now factorization this guy, factorization this guy. Now this is the classical difference of a square. In the factorization, you open two parentheses, xx 4 because square root 16 is 4, no?
Yes.
Okay. Entonces, x 4 plus or minus. This is the factorization. This. Now, the bottom, denominator, the factorization is another difference of a square. Is square root this guy of 5x and square root 9 is 3 plus or minus time 3 minus 5x and x minus. Wow, good, very good. I can see the x minus 4 is cancelled.
Cancel, yeah.
And what about this and this?
2, yeah, they cancel too. They
Well,
are
it's brother and sister, no?
yeah.
This x minus 4 is twin. So the answer, when it's twin, you delete and that's it. Because
Yeah.
it's positive one is invisible. But
Yeah.
when it's totally opposite sign, you cancel, of course, but you put extra negative one. So the
Yes.
answer, what's the answer then? The answer is negative
X uh,
uh,
in
top x plus 4
plus 4,
and the bottom 5x plus 3, no?
5
Like that?
plus yes.
Very well, like an option A, yeah.
Yeah.
Ernie, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
You receive my email?
Oh, the email that you sent this morning.
No. The email I sent particular for you, only for the email address for the chairperson, the mathematical chairperson.
I'm gonna check it out right now, please.
Okay. I send immediately. I don't waste the time. Okay, 23. No, you want, no? It says your auction. You want to.
Thank you so much.
No, pleasure. Okay, this is c squared plus 9z
Sorry about that. It's
plus
about
20
you. Can
over.
can you reduce the screen for me, please, that I can take a screenshot of this? The
Okay,
one.
okay.
Thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
All right, thank you. You can do.
C squared plus 11, c plus 30, division, c squared plus 4c, off the microphone, c squared plus 11c plus 30. Uh-huh. Okay, let me make it zoom again. Okay. Remember, you copy the first fraction, a division problem. So you copy the first, exactly the same. And you flip it the second, no? Time, now multiplication, I flip it. C squared plus 11c plus 30. C squared plus 4c. Wow, I can see something. Look at that. This exactly is the same of this. You cancel out. No necessary factorization because it's the same. So any expression divided by itself is one. You know that, right? This is delete. But the rest, no. The rest you need to factorization. This is regular trinomial. And the combination is always the 5 and 4, no? 5 and 4, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 plus 4 is 9, plus the positive, you know? In the denominator, well, here we have only binomial, but it's easy. The only thing you should do is find the GCF, GCF. And the GCF is Z, C plus 4. So I can see that C plus 4 is cancelled. And stay alive, C plus 5 in the top, over 6 in the bottom. Something like that. Let me check it. C plus 5. Something's weird. Or I copied wrong something. Let me see. I copied wrong. Sorry. I copied wrong. Ow. I copied wrong. Okay. Let me erase everything. Start again, 23. I copied something wrong. I copied the denominator. It's the same. No, it's not the same. It's totally different. Okay, 23 again. 23 is c squared plus 9c plus 30 divided by c squared plus 11c plus 30. Division. C squared plus 4c divided by c squared plus 2c minus 24. This is the thing I copy. I copy this exactly the same. No, it's different. Okay, so I copy the first fraction exactly the same. Okay. I flip it the second. I put time in the middle, multiplication. C squared plus 2c minus 24. C squared. Now factorization, one by one. Okay, the first, okay, this one es CZ. Ajá, entonces es
5, 4.
5 and 4.
No, 5, 4 is 20.
Yeah, well, crazy. This is 20. This is
Yeah,
20.
20. I said, I mean, like,
You're right, 5 and 4.
5.
Plus, plus, no? I agree. I am doing well with the sign. Oh, no.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Now let's move on to the second here. Is DC 6 and 5, no? Plus, plus. Time.
Yeah.
In this case, 6 and 4, no? So 6 times 4 is 24. 6 minus 4 somehow is 2. Both is positive and negative. This is a binomial. The greatest common factor is C. Okay, completely factorization. Now x plus 4 is cancelled. 1 more is cancelled. C plus 6 is cancelled. C plus
Yeah.
5. Wow, a lot of people cancel. And stay alive. Who stay alive?
Z minus 4.
Divided by?
Divide no, by 1. You don't have to put divided by Z, right? Divided by Z.
Exactly.
I didn't see it. Sorry.
Here's the option. Let me see the option. The option C, no? Yeah. Any question? Do you understand very well?
Yes.
24. 24. 24 is. Let me copy. Slow down. Don't make a mistake. 14. Over. C squared plus 13. C plus 42. Division. C squared plus 2C. C squared plus 11. C plus 30. Remember, I copy again the first fraction exactly the same. Time, flip the second. Now factorization. Okay, and this expression is regular trinomial.
All right.
You have me?
Yeah.
You
7,
7 and 2.
7, 2. Yeah.
What
Plus,
sign? What
plus.
plus plus? Very well. Bottom part.
5, 5, 5, 9 or 5, 8. I don't know. Let me
No,
see.
no. 5 and 9, 42.
Yeah.
2 factors of 42, que somehow when you add and give me 13. Come on.
13 will be 9, 9,
No, 9. 6 and 7. 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
6 times 7, 42. 6 plus 7, 13. What sign?
Plus, plus.
This I did before.
5, 6.
Exactly. Plus, plus, no?
Yeah. And factorize Z.
Okay. So we cancel C plus 2.
Yeah.
We cancel one more. C plus 6.
Yeah.
C plus 7. Wow.
Yeah.
Stay only.
Z plus 5
Over.
over Z.
Very, very good. Final answer. Option C. It's very, very similar to the previous. 24. 25. 25. Wow, I did a lot of problems of this. It's too much, eh? Now let's practice. 25. 25 is, make it zoom. Make it zoom. X squared minus 7x plus 12 over x squared minus 10x plus 21 divided by x squared. No line. No line. It's just division x squared minus 11x plus 28. Entonces, they put a parenthesis here. Entonces, I suppose que this is another fraction and the denominator is invisible one. Okay? Entonces es x squared minus 7x plus 12 over x squared minus 10x plus 21 times 1 in the top x squared minus 11x plus 2. Something like that. Now factorization. One by one. And I need help. Come on.
4 and 3.
4 and 3. Very well. Very, very well. 4 and 3. What sign, sir?
Minus, plus.
Plus
and minus.
Minus and minus.
Exactly. Okay.
I usually
I
got problem with this
repeat
sign.
again. When this sign is possible, we expect the same. Always. What is the same? One minus because this sign is minus. Okay? And the second, and the bottom.
X over 2.
What is the combination?
7 and 3.
7 and 3. 7 and 3. What signs miss?
Minus
Both
and minus.
negative.
Minus,
Yes,
minus.
very well, very well. Okay, one is just one. This is, what the combination in that case? 28,
4.
7 and 4, very well. What sign?
Minus, minus.
Now, who is canceled? Well, this is canceled. Well, who more is canceled? This is canceled, right?
X7. X minus 7.
No,
Easier.
No, why no? Because
that was a mistake. It's in the bottom.
And one expression in the bottom is when you can cancel. So suppose you have the expression, the same expression in the bottom, the same.
I got
Entonces, what is the final answer?
1
1 over?
over x plus x minus 7 squared.
Exactly. Very well. Very, very good. ¿Qué es the option B? Do you feel strong in that part? You consider it continuous doing?
Yeah.
Okay, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 is the same stupid thing, right? Do you consider a skip or continue? Skip, right? Yeah, of course. So let's focus in the addition, que is more complicated. For example, let's do it 31. 31 is 5 over x plus 5 plus 3 over x. And remember, addition or subtraction, you need to find least common denominator. Least common denominator. Least common denominator, remember, the rule to select the factor for the least common denominator is you select everything put together, except when you have repetition. Repetition, you take majority of them. But in this case, no repetition because the factor involved in my problem and x plus 5, you take both. Okay? You take this, you take this. And you condensing in only one fraction, is multiplication x plus 5. Remember that in order to find the top part, you divide this divided by this division is x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. Probably x plus 5 cancel and stay alive. X times 5 times this 5 is 5x. Plus, again, this divided by this is x times x plus 5 divided by x. And x is cancelled and stay x plus 5 times 3. 3 times x plus 5. Everyone follow me so far or no?
Yes,
You
sir.
remember very well?
Yes.
You remember, right? And leave it like that. No,
Yes.
no. I need to do something more. I need to apply this here.
Yeah.
And combine like that. 5x plus 3x plus 15. No? And the bottom, x over x plus 5. We combine. 5 plus 3, 8. Plus 15 over x plus 5. Yeah, I suppose we cannot do anymore. Leave it like that.
No, because of the 8.
Yeah, exactly. This is the final answer que corresponde with the option D. Okay, do you understand very well the difference? When you have addition or subtraction, you need to find the least common denominator. Do you remember very well the rule for finding the least common denominator? After condensing two
Yes, I
fractions.
remember.
Let's practice that. 32. 32 is 4 over r plus 7 over r minus 2. Least common denominator is a combination of both r minus 2. And this divided by the first denominator is r minus 2. It's obvious, right? R is 4 times r minus 2 plus 7 times r. When you divide this divided by this, r minus 2 is canceled. Stay only r times 7. Do you follow me or no? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The rest is okay. Distribute the property. Is 4r minus 8 plus 7r over r minus times r minus 2. And we combine it's 11, no? 11r minus 8 over r minus. Okay, 11r minus 8. What do you consider the option that we need to select? 11r es A, ¿no? Es obvio que es A. Es obvio que es A. Es easy the addition and subtraction? Or it's complicated?
It's easy.
30. Guy, this is important. So this algebra that we are studying now, we are using throughout the every course. All algebra, we're using that. I suppose guy don't need to explain again this. No. We using every day. Okay, this manipulation. And pre-calculus and calculus, the student they need to take, we using every day. Okay, this is a tool, classical tool. Suppose 33 is 3 over x minus plus 3 minus 3 over x minus. What should I do? Help me. Any help?
Looking for the least common denominator.
Absolutely. And what is the least common denominator in your opinion?
X plus 3
Uh-huh.
and x minus 3.
Both. Very well. I'm going to find the expression in the top for the first one. It's 3 times something.
It's gonna be 3 times x minus 3.
Super good. X minus 3. What happened with the bang? What's going on? Wow. I don't know what happened. What's going on? Okay, I write again at the beginning. No. It's a Zoom, stupid Zoom. Okay, I suppose que, bueno, okay. When the board is full, become too slow. I need to erase, but no, okay, let me finish this. Okay, entonces, 3 times, you say, Ernest?
3 times x minus 3.
Minus, it is
minus 3 times x plus 3.
Exactly. Look, it's slow, wow. Okay, now distributing. And we have 3x.
3x.
Minus 9.
Minus 9.
Minus 3x.
Yeah.
Minus 9 again.
Minus 9.
Divided
by x plus 3 and x minus 3.
Look at what happened. Here it's cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes.
And negative 9 together is negative 18, no?
18, yeah.
And negative 18 over this guy. Okay, by the way, you can write like that, or you can write like that. X squared minus 9. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
It's like a difference of a square pero backward, like a multiplication. So you want to make sure, this is shortcut, I know by memory. Well, so you want to make sure you multiply x times x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3. Positive 3 times x is plus 3x. And 3 and negative 3 is negative 9. And always this is cancelled and stay alive x squared minus 9, like that. It's like a difference of a square, but backward, like a multiplication, no factorization. Okay, entonces what's the answer? The answer is A again. It's negative 18 something, is option A. Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, I want to raise the board because now the board now move too slow because I have too much information. Maybe
you can erase it. I took a screenshot of it.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm done. You can
Okay.
Thank you.
Super. Well, let's do it one couple more of this example because I am boring. I understand very well this part, no? I need to optimization. Oh, okay, suppose 34 is similar. 34 is similar. Yes. Okay, I forgot to record the video. Oh, no. This is it. No, somebody do for me. My goodness. 34 is 4x divided by x plus 5 plus 3x minus. This is similar to the previous. Okay, the least common denominator is both.
X plus 5 and x minus 5.
Super, thank you. What your name is?
Janaya.
Yeah. Deny in the top, in the first fraction. What should I do? You put what? 4x times something, no? 4x times.
Time x minus 5.
Exactly. Plus, that is plus of this. 3 times.
3x plus 5.
Very well. The rest is okay. The rest is okay. The rest is just distributive property. Okay, and combine later. Is 4x squared minus 20x plus 3x plus 15, no? Over. In this case, if you want, you put x squared minus 25. Yes or no? It's the multiplication.
Yeah.
And we combine later. Who is like? Well, it's like this and this. Actually, it's 4x squared minus 17, x plus 15. Okay. Excellent. La que the option B, no? Is correct? Option B? And the handout? You have the handout, right?
Yeah, we have it, but we have to get back to see it.
I understand. Okay. Let's do it one couple more, and that's it, because I am boring to this problem. Okay, 35 and 36, I promise. Okay, and we continue with another topic I consider most important. 35 is 7 over x plus 6 squared plus 2 over x plus 6, no square. Entonces, this is a little bit different. Okay, what is the least common denominator? It's x plus 6, but how many times? 2 times, 3 times, or 1 time?
2 times.
2 times. Why? Explain me why. You're
Because
right.
you looking for the least common denominator.
Entonces, what is the rule? When the sum factor is repeated by that, it's the same. But this is
Yeah.
power 2 and this is power 1. You take majority in only
Yes.
1. Okay. So this divided by this 1 is just 7. 7 alone, right?
Yes.
Plus 2 times x
2
plus 6.
times 1x minus plus
1. It's exactly the one to here. 1.
Yeah.
The rest is baby algebra. 7 plus 2x plus 12 over x plus 6 is square. And 12 and 7 is 19, no? So it's 2x 9 over x plus 6 square. See, we're doing number, what number? Wow, something weird, right? Yeah. Es de option A. First one. Super easy. You consider that we skip that part? You understand very well or no?
For me, yes, but I don't know.
One more. Come on, guy. One more or no? No? Yes? No? Come on. Opinion.
You can do one more.
One more. Okay. One more hard, eh? A little bit complicated, eh? I
Yes.
select one hard. Okay. Super. Let me select, for example, I don't know if it's complicated or not, but I see weird. 39. 39. 39 is 3 over y squared minus 3y plus 2 plus 7 y squared minus 1. Oh, this is a little bit more complicated because the first thing you should do is do the factorization, this trinomial and this binomial. What's the combination in the trinomial part?
2 plus 2, 2, 1.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. What sign, what sign, what sign?
Minus, minus.
Exactly, very well. And it's a typical difference of a square. Y, 1, 1, plus or minus. Super, right?
Yes.
Okay. My next step is find the LCD. What is the LCD in this case? Help me, help me. Please be careful. Be careful, be careful. Confusing.
X minus 2. X minus minus 1. X plus 1. We're gonna take only 1 minus 1.
Super. This is excellent. When you divide this guy is our least common denominator divided by this denominator 1, it's obvious that x minus 2 is cancelled, x y minus 1 is cancelled, and stay alive only y plus 1 times 3. Okay, 3 times y plus 1. Everyone follow me?
Yes, sir.
Plus. This plus is this plus. Okay, when you divide this by denominator 2, y plus 1 is cancelled, y minus 1 is cancelled, stay alive y minus 2 times 7. And almost we finish because the rest is baby algebra. It's 3y plus 3 plus 7y minus 14 divided by this expression. And we combine like term. This is 3y, 7y, 10y. Minus 14, subtraction is 11, no? Entonces in the top, we have 11y, 10y minus 11. In the bottom, we have y minus 2, y minus 1, y plus 1. Okay, suppose que es the option C. In different order, but it's equivalent, no? Just remember, when it's multiplication, it doesn't matter the order. Any question? You are strong in addition or subtraction, different expression? You have no problem? No? No?
No.
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 Okay. Let's move on to another topic. For example, let's practice a little bit. Write the equation of the line through the given point and express it in standard form. Okay, so 2 points is given. Okay, for example, we're doing 41. 41. 2 points is given. 2 points is given. 2 points is given. The point is given are 7, 0, and 0,7. So what is my goal? My goal is find the equation of the line connecting this. So we have 2 points. Bam, bam. Find the equation of this line. We have 2 steps. Because the equation, we need a point, arbitrary point, whatever you want. You take this or this. Doesn't matter. But you need the slope. You need the slope and 1 point. And using the famous formula like that. Y minus y1 is equal m x minus x1. Okay, the name of this formula is point slope. So we need 1 point and a slope. Entonces, step one, in my opinion, is compute the slope.
Find the slope, right?
Yeah, find the slope. And do you remember the formula for the slope?
Of course, Mister, is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
Super. Who are you, Mister? Robert, no?
No, it's Christian.
Christian. Christian. Okay, y2, Christian is, who is y2 in our problem, Christian?
It's 7.
7 minus something, minus, y1?
0.
0. Divided by
0,
minus
negative
7, right?
7. Yeah.
Basically, in the top we have 7, in the bottom we have negative 7, it's negative 1. The slope is negative 1. So we come back to the formula, step 2. The super fantastic formula, in my opinion, we use it every day. Now you replace. For example, look, the point 1, no? I'm using x1. So y minus y1, que es 0, is equal to slope. In our example, negative 1. Look, we compute it here. Parenthesis, x minus 7. Okay, 0 is nothing. It's just y. And you distribute this and this. It's negative x plus 7. This is good answer, but they want, I don't know, a standard. A standard, remember, is ax plus by equals z. This is a standard, okay? And this is a slow in a set. This is elegant way. However, they want that way. So in that way, you move everything that contain variable x and y to their left. Yeah, I put x in the first place and the y in the second. So basically, I move this to the left. So x plus y equals 7. End the story. This is a standard. This is low in a set. They are equivalent. It's the same thing, but expressed in different way. They correspond with the option D. Any question? Super. Super or no? Let's practice. I recommend practice 2 more examples of this.
Yeah.
I
Can you
have
read
in the super package. I put it crazy, a lot of, okay. Okay, let's practice 42. That was 41, no? 41. 42. 42. 42 is negative 6, 5, negative 1, 8. Exactly the same. Who helped me? No Christian, no Ernest. Another participation. What is the step 1? Any help? Come on, who there? I know you know. Come on, are you child? What's the problem? Okay, computer slow, right? This is my formula. I assign the variable. I understand now. This is the first point, and this is the second point, no? Y2 is 8 minus 5, no? X2 is negative 1 minus, double minus. Look, minus of the formula, minus of the value become positive, no? Okay.
Yeah.
This is 3, and this is 5, no? 3 over 5. This is slow. This is slow. Now I use the famous formula. Y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 5. Slope is 3 over 5. Parenthesis x minus x1 is 6. Negative 6, but double minus become positive. So my recommendation in this moment is eliminate fraction. How we eliminate fraction? Multiply the entire equation whole thing by 5. Magically disappeared after. Because this is 5y minus 25. So you multiply by 5 here, by 5 here, by 5 here. No inside, sino outside. So it's equal 3, parenthesis, x plus 6, because this 5 and this 5 cancel. That was the intention, to eliminate the fraction. The rest is easy. You distribute it here 3x plus 18. And they want that you express it, the equation in standard. So I move the letter, the variable to the left. So minus 3x plus 5y is equal 18 state plus 25. 18, 25, 13, carry that 143. Equal 43. But in the standard form, remember, let me copy standard. Standard is something like that. Ax plus by equals c. And never is allowed that a is negative. Because negative 3 is no legal, it's illegal. It's easy solving the problem. You multiply the entire equation by -1. You change the sign. This is 3x minus 5y equal minus 43. Let's suppose get the final. Okay. Option B, no? Option B. Do you feel strong on that part, guy?
This is way easy for me.
But I want to hear opinion from all students.
Yes.
It's okay, guy?
Yes.
Super, no problem. Let's go to the, okay, I include in the super package for the final some word problem. We never practice this word problem. But it's easy. I want to explain now because in the final test, maybe we have one in which basically you don't need to solve the equation. You only need to set up the equation. Okay, let me try. Let me explain the idea. It's no big deal. Okay. Okay. The word problem. I suppose that you have the packet, no? I want to only read the packet. So we're doing example 47. Example 47. 47. 47 is saying Helen Weller invested $10,000 in account. In account that pay 11% APR. How much additional money must be invested in account? The APR is 14%, such that the total interest is equal to the interest on the invested at the rate 12%. How much additional money? Okay, we have 3 accounts, no? Okay, let me try to create a table to understand this. APR. APR is, we have 3 accounts, 11%, 14, and 12. Okay? Okay. So now the interest and principal, no? Okay, entonces the problem says she has 10,000. 10,000 is total. The Helen Weller invested 10,000 in account que pay 11% APR. How much additional money must be invested in account the 14 such that the total interest is equal to the interest? Okay. Entonces, 10,000 is invested here in the account que pay 11. 10,000. This money is given. But how much additional money, you don't know. If you don't know, you call X. how much additional money must be invested in the account that pay 14. So the total interest, okay, this is mistake. This is 10,000 here. This is principal, no interest. This is X. Let me erase that part. Okay. Is equal, total interest is equal. Okay. So you don't know this money and you don't know this money. I call Y. However, I know this interest. This interest is easy. You put in the calculator. You put in the calculator 0.11. So you convert 11% to decimal. 0.11 divided by a multiplication by 10,000. And the answer is 1100. This is interest. This is principal, total. Likewise, the same formula, this in decimal is 0.14, is you multiply 0.14 multiplication by X. And here, exactly the same. This is 12, is 0. Multiplication by Y. Okay, in other words, guys, the formula interest is equal principal multiplication by APR, APR and decimal. Now, the question say, okay, this and this together, this and this together, this and this together is equal to this. And this is my first equation. And this together is equal to this. Let me rewrite the equation. The equation then is 1100 plus 0.14x is equal 0.12y. And this is my equation 1. And 10,000 plus x equal y. And this is my equation 2. And that's it. Day 1 in the test, can you only set up the equation, not necessarily solve it. Because we have another problem in which you solve it. You create the table, you understand the problem, and you set out the equation. That's it. And always is relatively easy, is using this formula, interest principal times APR, or another formula that you can see in the pretest. It's no big deal. Do you understand or no? Confusing or clear?
Clear.
Okay. I promise, don't worry. In the pretest, you can see in detail another more specific word problem, similar to the test. So let's move on. Wow. How many questions I put in a super package? 70, no? Wow, I'm crazy. Let's move on to the equations. Radical equation. Radical equation. Radical equation. Okay. Radical equation. Let's do it 51. 51. Good, very good. It's x plus 2 over x squared minus 4 plus x squared plus 2x minus 8, x minus 3, and the top equal 2x minus 3 over x squared plus 6x plus 8. Do you remember how we solved this equation? Or you don't remember anything? What should I do? What is the first step? No? Yes? You remember or you don't remember? Come on. Yes or no? It's an easy question. Yes or no? No or yes? Wow. Guys,
Factor any number in the denominator.
say again, say again, say again.
Factor the denominator.
Absolutely perfect. Okay. She said factorization, the expression, and the denominator. Super, super, super good. Okay, this is the difference of a square. Two paréntesis. Bueno, I open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paréntesis. I put X because the variable is the same, no? Okay. I realize that this is the difference of a square. This is binomial, no? In nature, is a no. Guy, recommendation, you go to school to learn and you don't memorize, you are in big trouble, okay? You never graduate because another subject need que you remember, okay? You have to remember. Okay, entonces, the third one, exactly, she said, is factorization, the expression and the denominator. I did the first one, que is the difference of a square. The second is trinomial, and the third one is trinomial. Who help me with the factorization of the second? Please. What is the combination? Hey, what's going on? Are you disconnecting?
Nah.
Come on, come on, come
I
on. Come on,
as
we are.
x, x minus 2.
What is the combination? What is the number? After you adjust the sign.
Uh,
Tu nombre que multiply.
4 and 2. The LCD
Four and
one.
two, four and two, four
The
and two. What sign? What sign? What sign?
min, plus minus.
No, plus and then minus.
Plus 4 and minus 2. Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. The second guy,
Is minus. 4
4 and
no.
2 again, no? 4 and 2 again. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6. What sign?
Both positive.
Exactly. Both positive. What is the next step?
Find the LCD.
Find the least
Yeah,
common
yeah,
denominator.
yeah. And what is the least common? Who helped me to create, to select?
Do you want to go first? You can go first.
Uh-huh.
You can go first, man.
All right.
You talk
X
to me?
2
Come on,
1
come on,
1
come on.
1 x plus 2.
Uh-huh.
Only 1 x minus 2.
Uh-huh.
Only 1 x plus 4.
Exactly. Only one. Because the repetition, you take only one. What is the next step?
Divided
No, the restriction. Find the restriction. Find the restriction with the bad guy. The potential bad guy is no 2, no negative 2. There's a 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, and no negative 4. This is important. Remember, when you affect this equation by the least common denominator, maybe it happens, not always, but sometimes, we have bad solution, no? So I multiply everything by LCD. Well, no. Let me. I don't want to copy here because it's easy. You take this, you divide it by this. It's obvious that this is and this is cancelled. Look,
Yeah.
stay alive only x plus 4 times x plus 2. This is
Yeah.
x plus 2 times x plus 4. Correct? Everyone follow me? Or totally lost?
Yes.
No, I'm following you, mister.
Okay, super. And the second, and the second is obvious that x plus 4 is cancelled. Look here. x minus 2 is canceled. And stay alive only x plus 2 times x minus 3.
That's true.
X plus 2, no? I am doing well. In the first one, x plus 4 is cancelled, x plus 2 is cancelled, stay alive only x minus 2 times 2x minus 3. I know well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The rest is, what should I do now?
You
Multiplication this.
yeah.
How you multiplication this?
You multiply x
Foil.
by
You foil.
foil. You foil.
Foil. Foil.
You foil.
X squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. If you want, you combine that term here, why not? Exactly the same we are doing here and here. I know que es too long, sorry, pero es the way. Es x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. Es x squared minus x minus 6. Foil again. Es 2x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 6. ¿Ahí digo okay o no?
Yeah.
What should I do now? Combine like that, no?
Yes.
You have long
Yeah.
equation. And you reduce the size of the
Is
equation. Combine like that. Who is light? Look, this is light term. I do separately. In the left hand side and the right hand side. And after we combine both. But no, step by step. This and this together is 2x squared. This and this together is 5.
5.
And this and this together is 2. And the right hand side, I don't touch. Okay. Look. This and this is cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes.
We can. Entonces, linear equation, no quadratic equation. Entonces, super easy. The thing you should do is move, for example, 5x stay here. I move 7 to the left. 6 stay minus 2. I move to the right. This combine is 12. And we combine here 4, no? Divided by 12.
8. Yeah.
Is equal lowest term.
1/3.
1/3. And 1/3 is not equal to the restriction. Look at the restriction. The bad guy is these 2, -2, and -4. They are no coincidence. Therefore, that means the solution is correct. 51, 1/3. Okay, big option B. Do you remember very well or no? Campbell?
Yeah.
Now you remember. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So easy.
No, it's hard a little bit because it's long, too long, no? Too many steps. Let me summarize. What's the first step? Number 1 step is factorization any expression in the denominator. Good. Second step is find the LCD. Third step is find the restriction, just in case. And the fourth step, is the most important, is multiply the entire equation by the least common denominator. In this moment, disappear the fraction, no fraction anymore. We have linear equation, no linear, no. Maybe quadratic or linear, depending. You have one equation that do not contain fraction. And it's easy to manipulate how the maybe algebra. Combine like term, try to move in the same side, depending if it's quadratic equation or linear equation. And you get the solution. And the solution you compare with the restriction. There are no coincidence, that solution is good. Do you want to do one more or no? One more?
Yeah.
One more?
Let's
Okay,
do
yes. Okay. Okay. 52 now. 52 now. 52 is 1 over. But I need help.
I got you.
Absolutely. This is the idea, guys.
Sir.
Be ready to call algebra. Call algebra is a little bit hard because it's more conceptually, you know? So I suppose you master very well this skill of the manipulation equation, but we discover new thing. Okay? It's conceptual behind this. Okay, what should I do? I am ready. What should I do?
You first have to factor it out.
Exactly. Factorization, 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 factorization. The most of people that take all algebra don't remember factorization because took algebra a lot of semester ago and don't remember. But I don't want to explain factorization. I suppose they know, and you know. Okay, what is the combination of the first? Help me.
2 1.
2, 1. What sign?
Plus minus minus.
Minus, minus. Very well. What is the combination in the second?
5
5
5.
and 5 and 2. No?
Yeah.
What sign?
Yeah.
Minus.
Plus and negative.
Uh-huh.
Oh, plus. Oh.
And the combination and the last one is 5 and 3, no?
Yeah.
5 and 3, yeah.
What
Both,
sign? What
both
sign? What
positive.
sign?
Plus
Both
plus.
positive.
Exactly. Very well. We done the first step. What's the next step?
Find the LCD.
Find the LCD. The LCD is the combination of the factor without repetition. Who help me?
1 x minus 2.
Uh-huh.
1 x 1 x minus 1.
Uh-huh.
X plus 5.
Uh-huh.
X plus 3.
Ah, this is my LCD. Therefore, we have 4 restrictions. No
Yeah.
2, no 1, no negative 5, and no negative 3. Do you see I did easy? Because it's the same number here, but opposite sign. Here negative 2 the binomial is positive 2 the... Because 2 minus 2, no? Is 0. And this is totally illegal to be 0 denominator. Remember, LCD, denominator. Okay, now ready. Let me try to using another idea. Remember, you multiply the entire equation. Wow, it's a monstrosic equation multiplied by monstrosic least common denominator. But we are doing in that way. Look, I use a different color. For example, blue color. I can see, okay, this is cancelled with this, and this is cancelled of this, and stay only x plus 5, x plus 3 times 1, que is just x plus 5 times x plus 3. Plus. Everyone follow me so far?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes,
now
sir.
x plus 5, green color, and x minus 2, green color. Stay only, you have no green color, que is x minus 1, and x plus 3. And don't forget, please, these two. Okay, these two multiply, well, either way, you can multiply doesn't matter the order here of the multiplication. Equal. let me use another color, maybe black. 3 times, so you cancel out x plus 5 and x plus 3. And stay alive only x minus 2, x minus 1. I did okay or no? Help me, guy.
Yes, you did good.
No.
You understand or you don't understand?
I do understand this.
You do.
I do.
Hey, now what should I do? Come on. Question.
Foil.
Multiply.
Foil.
Mm.
Foil is x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15. I prefer in this moment, there are many ways of the organization of the mathematics. I prefer to keep going in this expression, no skip to another expression. No? Yeah, I condense in this and this, no? X squared plus ax plus 15. Plus. Okay. Well, one possibility is multiplication 2 times the first, or you temporarily ignore these two and you foil this, and after multiplication by 2. Either way, it's an associative property. When you multiply A, B, C, you multiply A and B, or A and C, or B and C, and I multiply by the third one, and the answer doesn't change. What do you recommend me? Multiplication 2 times the first, or do the FOIL and a final multiplication by 2? What do you consider is better, in your opinion?
Associative.
Do foil and multiply by 2.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, okay. I propose the following strategy. Look, I copy 2. I open the bracket because this is the grouping symbol. Is isolate, help me to isolate to understand much better the FOIL of this part. So x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3. And we continue working here. I don't skip to the no. Keep going. Now we combine like term. 3 minus 1 is 2. And now multiplication by 2. When you multiplication everything by 2, we have 2x squared plus 4x. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus 6. 2 times 3 minus 3 is negative 6. Do you follow me, guy? Do you like that way?
Yes, sir.
Me too.
Yep.
Let's do exactly the same here. 3 bracket and you follow. X squared minus x minus 2x plus 2. This and this together is minus 3x. And multiplication by 3 is 3x squared minus 9, no? Because 3 times 3 is 9. Negative, of course, plus 6. Wow, too much. But we're almost finished. The hard part, I suppose, que pass. Because the rest is piece okay. The rest is baby algebra. What should I do now? What should I do now?
Combine like terms.
Absolutely, combine like term. In the left hand side, we have this and this together, get 3. This and this get 12. And this case 9. Well, happy. Look, this part is cancelled. It's obvious, no? So when you have the same term, that are in opposite side, left and right, we cancel out. Another point of view to understand, so you bring this guy to the left or to is negative, so positive and negative is cancel. Let's stay 12 x stay. plus 9. I move negative 9 to the other side. And the right-hand side stays 6 minus 9. Entonces we combine like turn 12 and 9 is 21. 12 plus 9, 21. 21x. And this is minus 3. Divided by 21 both sides. X is equal, and reduce in lowest term divided by 3 is minus 1 over 7. ¿Qué es the option? Mira. Entonces, let me check in. No, there are no coincidence. This is weird. It happens. Seldom happen, but you know it happen. With the restriction, no problem. This solution is possible. Wow. I probably get the test. You see one question like that. And you need to show me in detail your work. Do you consider that we need to do more of this or no? Yes or no?
Whatever you think is good, but I think we could.
Yeah, Mister. It's you that's doing it, not us.
Okay. One more.
You decide.
Yeah, we'll do one more because it will be in the
One
test.
more. For example,
Yeah,
one
one more. Yeah.
more with the complication. With the complication that maybe we have no solution. Or the answer is coincident with the restriction. No, maybe. I suppose that 53 and 54 have the possibility no solution. You see, option B is no solution, option D no solution. I suppose that this happened in that situation. Let's do it 54. Let's do it 54 to consider this possibility. Because on the test, they want to evaluate that part. I say they because the final test is created for the math department, not me. That's not my test. They send to me. But I know what the typical question. They training to you. Friday, I training to you for the final. The student can need to take it. Some student, the I see one student can have A. No. Your grade is A and not necessarily take the final. There are, I suppose, 2 or 3 students in this situation. IML particularly for you. I inform specific for a student. You don't need to take the final, and that's it. No more comment. Okay. 54. Let's do it 54. 54. 54. 54 is y over y plus 4 plus ay plus 20a division y squared plus 7y plus 12 equal is equation. You see equal sign, that means it's equation. When it's equation, you solve for y. In other words, you need to find the y values to satisfy this equation. It's not equal sign to say simplification. It's manipulation. 4 over y plus 3. I copy right? Okay, I copy right. And I need participation, I need help. But not always Ernest, Christian, Inaya, or Campbell. Another participation. Come on, Villanueva, or Arrubia. Now, let me see your name. Shelby. And no.
I'm here.
I know. Participation. I claim participation. Kyla, Felder, Pascual, Chance. I don't hear your voice.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, I know. And black. What is the reason that your background is black?
I don't know. And I like black. It's a nice color.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Ismael, are you quiet? I don't know. It's silent. Inaya, no. Inaya participate. Dyla Ramirez and Robert Dorota. Come on. Who help me? Come on, who there to help me? What should I do? What is it? Super? Exactly. Who speak?
It's me, Chance.
Chance. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The only expression I suppose you are doing the factorization is the second, no?
Yeah,
Oh,
4
yeah.
out of 8y plus 28.
Exactly. So what is the combination? You say 4 and 3, no?
Yes, 4 and 3.
What sign, mister?
Plus plus.
Absolutely perfect. What's the next step? Chance.
Okay, so you would factor y to the second plus 7y plus 12 using the AC method.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
LCD, right?
Yeah.
What is the LCD in this case?
The LCD is y plus 4 and y plus 3.
Absolutely perfect. Now restriction. Do you remember very well restriction or no? So you don't remember, you said, I don't remember. Yeah, another student continue.
Okay, yeah, maybe I don't remember that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have two factors, we have two restrictions. Who help me with this? It's no equal.
Let me step up.
Come on. And,
Y minus 4.
uh-huh. And?
Y minus 3.
Exactly. This is totally illegal. Totally illegal. Okay. What is the next step? It's the most important step.
LCD divided by the
Multiply.
multiply, yeah, and the numerator.
Okay. So let me use the method of the color. This is y plus 4 is cancelled with the y plus 4. And stay alive, only y times y plus 2.
Plus 3. Yeah.
Plus, because it's plus here. Entonces, ay plus 28. But it's cancel everything. Wow. Look. Let me use another color. This is cancelled with this, and this is cancelled with that. It stay only the numerator part. Okay, I put a parenthesis, pero no necesary parenthesis. Equal, in the 4 times something, times.
Yeah, y plus 4.
Okay. The rest is baby algebra. Distributive, y squared plus 3y plus 8y plus 28, 4y plus 16. I remove the parentheses, not necessarily this parenthesis. We combine y squared plus 11y plus 28 is equal 4y plus 16. In this moment, I realize, wow, maybe no, for sure, this equation is quadratic equation, because you remember the other problem that we can eliminate this and this. No, we have no. So this, I move everything to the left. And one more time, we combine letter. This is 7, no? And 28 minus 16 is supposed to be 12, no? And let me see, 28 minus 16 is 12. Plus 12. Equal to 0. Okay, ready? We have in that moment quadratic equation. Quadratic equation we have in that moment. And this quadratic equation, what do you recommend me? Solve it by quadratic formula or by factorization? Remember, we have, yeah, absolutely. Because it's too easy.
Yeah.
It's
4 3
4 and 3.
plus
Plus, very well. Therefore, I discover separate this into linear equation. One solution is -4, and another solution is -3.
-3 is is the same with the
Same of restriction. NSA is the same. Therefore, what is the answer of this problem then?
there is no solution. It's yeah, no solution.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you think it's extremely important to find the restrictions? Because sometimes happen, not always, but sometimes. Y day one, in the final test, put the example que contemplate this idea, que have this idea de no solution. Maybe you have two solutions. In this case, both are wrong. But in the another case, not necessarily both are wrong. One solution is okay, and one solution is wrong. Bueno, guys, I just propose, and the rest of the time practice a little bit. What do you consider better? One more example of this. Entonces Friday we practice the rest, que the rest is quadratic equation using quadratic formula and radical equation, and we are doing the pre-test. Okay, one more example of this, of the exactly the same we are doing before. For example, we're doing 53, no? And that's it. Chance Gomez. Hello, professor. Ese PDF. Let me see, Chance. Send me email with this information. I don't understand very well.
I just sent you the test, Professor. You don't have to worry about it now. Just wanted to send it before it was due.
Yeah. Actually, some people send me the test file already. Yeah. When you finish, you send me.
Yes, I sent it.
The due date is today at midnight. Pero no,
Okay.
You send me anytime before the deadline. Thank you. Receive. I reply you. Okay, one more 50, and the rest of the time, 10 minutes, and that's it. Too much. We're working too hard, eh? How do you feel this class? Super intensive class, right? Super intensive class. Oh no, or is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, intensive. I told you the first day. This is a college.
But you make it easy.
No, and you help me always. Ernest. Okay, 53. 53. Is 1 over. Entonces, Ernest, remember, you send email to the chairperson of the mathematical department. You say in the email, can you talk to me? Yeah, I agree to accept you extra student in my class.
All right, thank you.
I accept to you only. Another guy inside this class maybe, because it's too much student, 36 students. It's okay. But you are good student, you help me.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I appreciate that.
No. Pleasure. Okay, what should I do? Help me. Another participation. I copyright. Yeah, I copyright. What should I do in this example? Come on. Some student, I never hear your voice. Let me see. Shelby, are you there? Okay. Let me explain one thing. You know, it's a new tool in Skype. Okay, it's called raise the hand. Raise the hand. Yeah, I want to raise the hand. Look, this is me. Raise the hand. You see? Come on, raise your hand. Shelby, raise your hand. Are you not there? Kyla, further, raise your hand. Wow. I cannot control que you pay attention. Kathy Martinez, raise your hand. You don't know how you raise your hand? Wow. Okay, good.
No.
Kathy. And the student platform, you cannot raise your hand. Another class, raise your hand. The bottom is hand, raise the hand, you click here. Okay, don't worry. This is not important. Okay, so what should I do? Factorization, no? The only possibility we can factorization is this trinomial.
It's the
Regular.
last one.
Yeah. That's last.
Like
6
What sign? What sign?
plus.
Now it's obvious that the least common denominator is this guy, no?
Yes, 1x. Yeah. The way
is x plus 6.
x plus 5.
And the restriction associated with this idea is
Minus 6. Minus 5.
Exactly. It's a bad guy and my problem. Now when you multiplication, the first one, blue color,
X
this
plus 6 is cancelled.
with this.
We have
And
x
stay alive only
x plus 5. And the next one we have 4x plus 6.
Here's the last one.
The last one we have only minus 1.
Absolutely perfect. Because everything is cancelled.
Yeah.
And this is my super easy equation. Super easy equation. The rest is apply distributive property and combine later. X plus 5 plus 4x plus 24 equal -1. We combine later. This and this together is 5. This and this together is 29 equal -1. Well, solve for x. Linear equation. Super easy. This is 5x.
Transfer 29. We're gonna transfer
5x transfer 29. Like a -1 minus 29 is -30, no?
Yes.
Divided by 5, both sides.
Minus 5. Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Yeah.
A minus 6, I compare with the restriction.
Yes, it is.
It is no solution again.
Yeah.
Does you feel strong? Everyone feel strong? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we spend 5 minutes to do something or we can leave? Are you tired?
Whatever.
Are you tired? Okay, that's okay. We're doing too much today. Then I recommend stop here. On Friday. Remember, Friday is important day. And don't forget to submit today before midnight. Test number 5 online. Include homework. Remember, homework is extra. It's optional. It's extra. If you are doing the homework and you are doing well, greater than 80, I put 10 extra points. And send to me, like a chance to do now, the test on paper. Okay, guys?
All right. Thank you.
I have a question, Professor.
Bye-bye. That's it.